Here's how to assemble your cordless grass trimmer. Just grab your first part, slot it in here nice and easy. You'll need to thread the cord in a little bit, but then plug your handle in. Grab your screws, line them all up in the holes, grab your drill driver and screw them in. Now flip your grass trimmer and put the screws in the other side. You can of course use a screwdriver, but I reckon it's far better with a drill driver. Now put your guard on. It's important to put this on the right way and listen for the click. Undo the screw for the head mounting. Put it on. It's got one flat side, so you'll line it up. Put the screw in. And again, grab your drill driver just to lock it off. Now grab your handle and push it on, and you'll hear another click. Now you've got it fully assembled, all you need to do is click a battery in and you're ready to get gardening. If you need to know any more information, just leave a comment below.